If you're tired of hearing
Just start a business.
without anyone actually telling you what to start or even how to start, then of course you are in the right place, because in today's video I'm sharing 5 profitable side hustle ideas in Nigeria that are currently working right now. Okay, now these are low capital businesses that you can start even if you're doing your NYSC or you're juggling a full-time job. Okay, because I've seen people say, oh, better, I'm going for NYSC, I want to be doing something on the side. You can do any of these things depending on where you're being posted to. Okay, so no long story today, no need to sell your kidney. Okay, it's just practical real life hustle ideas for 2025. Let's go. Okay.
Ryan Little.
Now, the first business idea on my list today is the noodles business. Yes, the noodle stand business. This one is giving fast money vibes. I promise you, I love this business. You see those people that are frying noodles at your bus stop or when you're coming back from work in the evening. See, don't sleep on them. If you find a busy spot, maybe near a hostel or a university gate or office area, and you set up a small noodle stand, see, you will be cashing out daily. Okay, those people there, they are making money. Forget now, you go to look them say, kind of business is this? No, not for my caliber and timber of people. Now you know timber caliber, you not get money. People dey fry noodles, you dey there, they look there, and the problem is say once you dey pass, you dey perceive am o, but you know I can't me but every day you dey go donate 2k 3k for them because they collect noodles every day. Me, you better do what you will do and collect your money. Okay, all you need is a table, a small gas cooker, plastic chairs, maybe 3 or 4, and then ingredients. You buy noodles, you buy egg, you buy sausage if you like, and then you still fit add turkey for vibes, not be everybody go buy am, but you go need package yourself the way you want me to take address you. Okay, see, people are tired after work. They just want something quick and hot, plus it smells good. See, these noodles wey they fry for road, the thing they say, you no fit resist am, so your customers to come no go resist am. Okay, if you package it well and your space is clean, you even get loyal customers that will be coming every day in no time. But just make sure you know how to cook, because if you not sabi cook, how this business won't take work now? You don't know how to cook, I know this one is not for you, because go dey cook wetin go dey purge people for belle. Okay, so if you cannot cook, leave it. Okay, allow people that can cook do it. So if you can cook, let me just give you a bonus tip. When you start your noodle business, just add chilled drinks. Yes, buy drinks, put aside cooler, break pure water block inside. You no need to go dey find where they sell block again. Just pack block inside your freezer, make block. When this not block, you break am, put aside cooler, put your drinks inside. See, collect that extra coin that will be coming from the drinks. Okay, so when they come, they buy noodles and egg, or noodles and turkey, noodles and sausage, and drink. You understand vibe, right? Start now. Now, the second business idea is the dishwash production. Yeah, see, this one is for my low-key babes. And guys, because I know say guys they here. The behind the scenes hustlers. Yeah, see, making liquid soap is not even that hard. Everything you need is online. I even made 10 liters of dishwash the other day. Take a look. If I knew that making dishwash was not as difficult as I always imagined, then trust me, I would have saved a lot of money. But I mean, it's never too late, right? And thankfully, I had my mom to help me, because trust me, making this, you need energy to stay and stay and stay. And my mom was the real MVP here, because trust me, she did most of the steering. Forget say the short one that they see, now my hand, now she go don't turn out, then I go come collect the shine. But anyways, guys, this was really fun doing, because my mom was there, my dad was also sitting right there. We were all gisting and just doing this in so much love and just oneness. I love that my parents are here, and I'm excited that they also get to go home with some of this when they're ready to leave. Because guys, with this thing, I bought all of these things for about 4,000 naira, and I got over 10 liters worth of dishwash. And you guys, this is going to last me months. I promise you. I chose this green color because I really wanted it to look similar to the ones I buy, from the supermarket. And guys, I left this overnight and I got this consistency. And yes, that white one, my mama didn't carry go house. Okay, I wanted to just show you guys how this thing works. Like, it was just really, really for me, and I thought to show you guys. Let me know, will you ever try this? I promise you, with like 20k or so, you can start small, buy your ingredients, buy bottle, and maybe do like cute labels, and just make it fancy. Then you begin with your friends and your neighbors, your church members, all these people. Before you know it, they'll start helping you spread it. See, word of mouth is key. And the thing is that everybody actually needs dishwash. Or let's say you be dirty pig, when we say they wash plates for your house, or they even cook out every day, they buy from outside. At least come they buy the people wey wan dey do noodles. Go dey patronize them if you know say you no go cook. But normally everybody dey wash one thing or the other for their house, and then they wash for kitchen, so you must need dishwash. Okay, it is one of those products that move, especially if it lathers well. Oh guys, the one I made, it lathers so well, and it's the first time I'm doing it. Okay, so if I can do it, you can do it too. All you need is go to the market before you start asking me, better, where do I buy it, what do I buy? See, if you need to buy, you don't know where to buy, send me a message. I'm gonna send you the number of the woman I bought the one I got. Okay, she sells it at Ojota in Lagos. Yes, I don't know about other places, but I know that she's in Ojota, and she can send it to you if you're anywhere in Lagos. I don't know if she sends outside Lagos, but I just told her I wanted to make dishwash, and she put the items for me, numbered them for me. If you guys saw that video I showed you guys now, she numbered them and then just told me how to make them, and I made it, and it came out nice. Guys, I used 4,000 naira to buy that thing. Yes, I said in that video, only 4,000 naira I spent take buy all those things, and I made dishwash worth over 10 liters. Now, if I want start to dey sell now, you know how much I go sell am? Just buy bottle, do sticker. Should I start selling my own? I don't really know, but start first, okay? Perfume oil business is definitely the third on my list for today because this one is really close to my heart. Guys, trust me. I love smelling good. I love smelling like money. And I know that I'm not alone. Oh, yes, there are so many people that like smelling well. And can I just say this here? Perfume oils are actually very affordable. And they last if you buy good ones. They are easy to sell as opposed to buying, big bottles of perfumes and, wanting to find buyers and all of that. Just buy this perfume oil and start selling. Now, my go-to supplier is definitely a fellow YouTuber like me. Her name is Simply Sugar. That's the name of her channel. This is a free plug because she did not even ask me to do this, and she doesn't even know that I'm gonna do this. Guys, trust me, she's reliable and she sells in bulk. All you need to do is repackage it in small 3 ml or 6 ml bottles. Name it something catchy like, Arabian Nights or Soft Babe or even Soft Life, and boom, you are in business. Okay, the best part, you can actually start with between 10,000 naira to 30,000 naira, depending on your pocket. Okay, market it on WhatsApp, market it on Instagram, even in your office. People will always buy what makes them feel good. That's one thing I've learned when it comes to business. Okay, and please give testers to your friends. Yes, give them testers. If the scent is nice, they will definitely come back for more and even tell others. But when I say give testers to your friends, know the kind of friends. Are they the friends that will support your business, or the ones that will just want to come and be collecting free? Osho free, they no go buy, they no go patronize you. Know the type of friends to give, because I'm all about, friends supporting friends. Friends support my business, I support their business. But if you know that you have nonsense friends, they no go buy. Not give anybody anything, because not only tester they go be, they no go buy, they no go convert. Okay, so be wise. Be wise. Number 4 on my list for today is online thrift. Yes, Okrika store. Let me tell you, Okrika is not what it used to be. These days, it is giving budget luxury. Okay, and people are shopping more online now. So if you're fashion forward, this is your lane. If you have a page on Instagram, on TikTok, see, go to Yaba, go to Katangwa market, even Cotonou. If you are close to Cotonou, just get clean first grade thrifts, jeans, tops, dresses, jackets, just wash them, iron them if you can. If you can, it's not compulsory, and then you can take like, very fine flat lace pictures of them, or model them yourself. Yes, you can wear them and model them. See, Instagram and TikTok are your best friends here for this type of business. Okay, post reels, do styling tips, put better price or don't go and overprice. Okay, you can even do bundle sales, like pick 3 items and pay 10 naira, and then people will rush you, but make sure you're not at a loss. Make sure you're not at a loss. We're trying to make money here. Okay, now the last idea for this particular video is phone accessories. See, this one is underrated, but let me tell you, as your friend, your paddy that's always looking out for you, people love impulse buying, especially when it comes to phone accessories. See, get yourself cute cases, screen guards, pop sockets, earpiece, all these things. Buy them. You can buy in bulk. You can buy from Computer Village in Ikeja, or you can order from AliExpress if you don't mind waiting, because that one takes a bit of time. Okay, then you sell in schools, in churches, offices, or even online, mostly online actually. Okay, if you do bundle deals like buy 2 get 1 free, or buy a phone case and get 1 free screen guard, it works like magic. Okay, and trust me guys, people also love cute packaging, so make sure that you wrap it nicely after they have paid. Make sure that you wrap it nicely, nothing too expensive, just something fancy, something cute, and trust me, the way you made them feel will definitely make them come back. Okay, like I promise you, because I know how many Instagram vendors I'm always going back to every single time. And in fact, I always keep the case that they put my things in, because it's just always really cute. And it might just be one very small thing. Let me show you guys something real quick. I bought something from someone a few days ago, and she put this in as a gift. So me now, I go back to her because she puts, really cute things like this for me, and I'm just someone who appreciates little things. I've told you guys before in one of our business videos, one of the side hustle videos, that there's a lady I always buy household items from. Every single time she gifts me a new key holder. Like, I can't remember when last I bought key holders, because she always puts key holders and she's consistent with it. Like, I know that for every time I buy something, I am definitely for sure getting a new key holder. So that's something to hook your customers, to hold them, drag them in. Just drag them in. Like, sometimes my key holder will be going, but I'll say, oh, no. And when I buy something from her, I'm sure a key holder will come with it, and I'll have to wait for her to give me. And now me, they dash people key holder. Those ones are going to tell me thank you. They're not going to send up my money and say buy them. See, just do something cute for your customers. You don't have to collect all the money in the world before you know that you are selling. Sometimes take small money inside the business. Buy small gifts. They put some wrap gifts where not just inside like you don't send and go. You can start like that, but make sure that in no time you improve on that. Okay, so yeah, these are the 5 side hustles that are actually working in Nigeria right now. And like you can tell, you don't need a million naira to start any of them. Okay, just pick one. Start small. Be consistent. You don't have to wait until everything is perfect. Just start. Even if it's from your kitchen, from your bedroom, on your Instagram, just begin. Okay, let me know in the comment section which one you're feeling the most, or if you have tried any of them before. You guys know that I read your comments and I try to reply to all of you, so let's chat there. Now, if you found this video very helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Just click on the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Share this video with your friends who are always saying they need extra cash. Let's help each other win this year. I told you, this 2025, now me and Ona, as they make money, now they make money. Okay, so it needs to be balanced. So you need to plug your friends to this channel, because they need all these things I'm sharing with you people. A lot of you have started the palm oil business.
See the five cakes. I don't collect them. I will order another one maybe end of the month, maybe 10. I want order 10 again. So you understand? So now the 10 and the 5 cakes with this. Shake them for them, make them know. Film the oil well. Film am well. When I see oil dey there, e dey. They see am now. People go see am now. They see am. So this is the red oil that I ordered from the east. From Austin Better's kitchen. I'll order 10 more end of the month. Thank you. Thanks for the business. Thanks you. God bless you. I appreciate it.
You people are calling me now to say better thank you. I know. You're welcome. You're welcome. Now I brought another one. Now people should try this year. Let's try. Let's hustle together, guys. As I did like this, if you know me, you know say me and business. Pint and yash. If you don't see business, you don't see better. If you see better, you see business. This is a BB. Better business, business better. Any way you want to put on. Because for me, I don't like being broke, and I feel like this year I need to just show people ways they can make money, even if it's small, for 5K, 10K, just something to keep it. Not be every time you're going to beg urgent 2K. Let's stop these things. Just do something for yourself, because I don't know what I want to tell now again. As I did now, say waiting in my mind now to go they find plates wey no dirty. Now I carry my dishwash, they wash them because the thing they shock me. Then when I dey wash, I'll come dey think whether I want to start to dey sell am. But until then, you guys put any of these things into practice. Start, okay? And of course, I will talk to you guys on the next video. All right? Bye.